Namaste, my dear students. I am Kamal Pokhrel, an English teacher of Joint School family. Today it is the 29th day of virtual class of Standard 4. Today we will discuss about a play. The topic is brotherly love. Okay, brotherly दाजुभाइ को माया, brotherly love. Before going into the lesson, first of all we will discuss, we will be clear about the word meaning given in the glossary. Here are some difficult words. After being cleared about this the word meaning, then it will be easy to learn the lesson. Take something off. The meaning of take something off is to remove something. To remove something. Sprouting. Sprouting means producing new leaves. नयाँ पत्ताहरू निस्कनु, producing new leaves. Sprouting. Broccoli, you know, a kind of vegetable with a thick green stem and a green flower head. A kind of, you know, broccoli is a common vegetable, a kind of vegetable with a thick green stem and a green flower head. Episode, one part of the story or the serial. The meaning of the episode means one part of the story or serial. Cluedo, a murder mystery game, okay, which most of the children like to play the murder mystery game, you know, a murder mystery game for 3 to 6 players, in which 3 to 6 players are the participated and the Cluedo is played. Flounces, the meaning of the flounces. Moves being angry or upset. रिसाएर कतै जाने. Moves being angry or upset. Hoof and poof. The meaning of hoof and poof, to breathe in a noisy way. To breathe in a श्वास को आवाज. Hoof and poof, to breathe in a noisy way. Horrible means unfriendly, unpleasant or unkind. Horrible means fearful also. Unfriendly, unpleasant or unkind. Please means to make somebody happy. कसैलाई खुसी पार्नु. Please. Okay. To make somebody happy. Glare means glare. The meaning of the glare means to look in a angry way. To look in an angry way. Exit means to go out. Exit means to go out. Pop, pop means to go somewhere quickly. To go somewhere quickly. Hop means embrace. Okay, dear students, today we are going to discuss brotherly love. Just before we have discussed the glossary and the word meaning that contains in this lesson. Now we will discuss about this the play. Okay, this is a very interesting play, drama. The character of this the drama is mentioned here. They are mom, dad, Jack, Emma. Okay, mom, dad, Jack, a boy, a son. Okay, age of 11, and Emma, the daughter, age of 9. Okay, which age is 9 years. This play starts when the mom, she is preparing meal in the kitchen, and she heard the noises, the quarrel between the Jack and Ima, both son and daughter. Jack and Ima, their choices is very different. Their choices while watching the television, while selecting the program, is very different. So there is the conflict between them, conflict with Dwanda, Jhagada. And mom and dad, they are trying to convince the Jack, okay, to love Ima, but Jack is not ready. He like to watch Top Gear serial, and Ima, she likes to watch the Cluedo. Cluedo, it is known as the Clue in the North America, is a modern mystery game, which is the modern mystery game, in which 3 to 6 players are needed. And this game, it was devised in 1943 in England, currently published by the American game company Hasbro. The object, इसको उद्देश्य, जो खेल खेलने को the object of the game is to determine who murdered the game's victim, where the crime took place, and what type of the weapon are used. Jack, the brothers of the Ima, is forcing the sister, okay, to watch the serial what he likes, but Ima, she loves to watch the Cluedo. So they are discussing, and the mom of Jack and Ima, she trying to convince him to love. As he is the elder brother, he should love Ima, his sister. But Jack, he always blames that Ima is not ready to obey him. She always trying to fulfill her desire. Okay. उनी आफ्नो इच्छा लागेको काम गर्न सक्छन्, चाहन्छन्, तर ज्याकले इमालाई यो भनेर ब्लेम गर्छ. He blames that Ima does not allow to watch his favorite game. Mom, she focus how to convince her son Jack so that he may love, so that she may love her. She sent Ima, mom, she sent Ima upstairs so that she may talk with the Jack. Okay, she tried to know the views of the Jack, and she tells Jack that why you are not loving your sister, why you are always discussing with her, why you are blaming her. but Jack, he is not ready to accept her words. He said that I am not blaming her. She is blaming me. She is suffering me. But for a long time, when Emma, she did not return, then they began to search her, but they did not. The Jack did not find her. He searched Emma everywhere, but he did not find her. His love to the sister grew inside his heart. When Emma came back after a long time, then he became happy. Mother also hugged her, and she told that now you can play, you can watch what you like. Okay. She chose the same Ludo games, and all the family members they involved in the watching Ludo, but Jack, actually his choice was different. He said that I will not eat the sprout, which means the all kinds of the plants that produced. It means that he got angry. Okay. What mom she prepared for the dinner? He did not like to have that dinner that day because his desire was to watch the Top Gear, but his mom and dad they supported his sister. So on that day he did not accept what she had made in the kitchen. The place ends here. It means that however the brother and the sisters criticize each other, quarrel each other, they may have the love inside in the heart. This is the message for all the brother and the sister, that however we discuss one another, each other, then we have the love. Okay, we have the love with them. So in this drama also, in this play also, the brother and the sister they are quarreling, but they don't want miss each other. They don't want miss each other. They have love inside in the heart. Okay, dear student, this is all about this the drama. Read the drama, read this the play from the book also, so that you may understand more clearly, and you will enjoy more by reading this the lesson. This much for today. Thank you.